Okay, hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how I use Claude and a couple tools and a skill that I created that I'm willing to share that helps me create a prompt for the Go High level conversational AI and the AI receptionist. So the first thing I'm going to go is I'm in my Claude account and I have everything in projects. Now I always upload files to projects, but I created this research report by going to the client's website. I basically went to their website, which was this website. I hit the Claude extension and I told the Claude extension to review every page in this website, figure out everything it can about the owner, every link and everything, and basically create a research report. And it went and it found everything about this business. So I call it the business context document. So I got this business context document that I created with the Claude extension. Okay, then from there, I created a skill, and I'm going to go down here to, and I'll go right back all the way to the top. I load the skill, the voice AI agent setup, and I said, I just need a complete plan for the voice AI. And because these files are already in this project, it goes to town. It says, what's the primary job? Inbound, answer calls and capture calls. It goes through this. It created everything. It created one setup guide. I said, it's looking pretty good. I did a test call and it didn't answer properly. So I had to update it. Went back there, gave me another one. I did another test call and went back here. But what it does is it creates a document for me that I can then give to a VA. So I'm going to open this so you can see here. It just gives me, I'll make this bigger if I can. See, DP tent front desk, never miss a call. What this agent does, tells what it does, the knowledge gate prep. I can open this up on a Google Doc and share it with the VA or whatever, and then they can check off what they've done and what they haven't done. Create the knowledge base, crawl the website. See again, I've already done that, right? Agent details, create a new agent. Then it gives me the enter the agent's name, enter the agent's business name, send the initial message. What's the initial message? What's the agent goals? Turn on the contact fields to capture, turn on the summaries for notifications. It goes step by step on the setup of, now it could be changing, but step by step. And then here I can copy the whole prompt that it wrote in here, the phone availability. So I can have now give this to a virtual assistant and they can set up anything that I want them to set up without me having to be involved before I hand it off to the customer. So I thought that was a super cool skill. And I can even publish it as an artifact and publish it to the web. And in fact, let me do that real quick, because that's what I would do is I would copy it to the web. I would share it with the VA, right? And then now the VA could sit here and go through this. Okay, we created the knowledge base, we crawled the website, we upload the FAQ document, we leave unverified claims out of the KB, get boom. You just kind of go through this whole thing, and then it's telling me what's done and what's not done. And I can put this into my ClickUp or my ClickUp project management, so that link's always available. And anyway, I just found it as a super cool way to leverage everything I've created for these agents, because I had prompts for HVACs and plumbers and florists and all these different prompts. And I said, hey, take all these prompts, create a framework that I can use as a skill that we can use the business context document, the ideal client profile, and we can create these prompts lickety split faster and fast, and then give them to any VA to get them going for us. So I don't even know how to export a skill or share a skill, but I'm going to try to figure that out and post below. But I hope you guys enjoy this creativity. I thought it worked great, and I've done it a couple times now, and it's freaking awesome.